the other shop now and check out the other cars. So we'll catch you there. Bye. Made it to the other shop. I might have to switch out batteries here before too long. But we made it to the other shop. There's an old 9N. I think that's a 9N. I don't know. It might be an 8. Let's go look at it real quick. There's the frame for the panel wagon, by the way. That is the frame for it. Let's see. No, this is an 8N. 4-speed transmission. So we'll have to get it one of these days and fix it up. But there's the frame for the panel wagon. It'll be on, yeah, okay. I do have all the pieces for it. Look at there. And here's what we came to see. The John Deere riding lawnmower. Okay, we'll start out with this one. This is a 1940 Ford with a flathead V8. It's a Ford two-door sedan deluxe. Has some mohair interior. This one we can get into because it's not so nasty in here. I'll come around the other side and show you why this one is super special.
See it on the door here, it's written in pencil too.
Yeah. This one's super special because in 1979 it had 13,240 miles. It was bought brand new in Beaver, Oklahoma, I think. Let's see. I think that's where this tag says. But yeah, it was Beaver, Oklahoma. Oh, Buffalo, Oklahoma. Buffalo, Oklahoma. And in, let's see, 1958 had 9,516 miles on it. Well, now, this car, let's see if you guys can see that. I might have to get my light out. Yeah, I'll get my light out. Has 13,635 miles. Let's see. 13,635. Ashtray right here. The heater box is down there. Even had a clock inside the glove compartment.
Oh, that's cool.
I don't even know if I've ever opened this. The old AM radio still works. Oh.
And the back windows roll down too.
Yeah. Let's see. Hear the radio?
Is that the radio?
Yeah.
The battery's hooked up?
Yeah. And this is also a 3 on the column. This thing's held a charge for this long. I was just making sure you didn't have anything disconnected. I wanted to see how much of a charge it had.
There you go, give it a shot. Not gonna start like that.
Nope.
But I bet we could get some cables out and she'd run.
No, it's 6 volt.
6 volt.
Yep, 6 volt. So, but the battery's still holding a charge. And I don't know, it's been years since we brought this thing here and bought the battery.
Yeah, it's been a couple years.
I still had my 1-ton Dodge.
Here, let me put the hood down so you can see the profile.
I started my 1-ton Dodge, and that's been over 3 years ago.
How do I do this now?
I don't remember.
It's got something to do with this guy down here. Maybe just push it in a bit. No.
Yeah, the hinges might be just sort of weak. But we can look at it like that.
Close down all the way.
But there it is. That's another option we have. And I think we needed to do a fuel pump and brakes on it.
Yes.
Fuel pump, brakes, and glass. The
Mostly needs cleaning.
The back windows roll down. Look at this thing.
Has been painted one time, but there's essentially not a dent in the car anywhere, and it must have been painted back, who knows, in the 70s, 60s, 50s, whenever.
Now we don't know if it ran moonshine or not, but there's a chain on the front two fenders that hold the front two fenders together.
Yeah, they did a little bit of beefing up to the frame, so we think it might have been the moonshine car.
See this chain? They have it held together like that. The back suspension they've welded on shocks.
Yeah,
And
heavy duty shocks.
Heavy duty shocks.
And it's got dirt tires.
And it's got mud tires, yeah. So let's see if we can get you under there. So the heavier duty shocks, mud tires. I don't know if it ran moonshine or not, but it's funner to say it did.
Look at all the gaps, and lines and stuff on this car. It is so straight. It's just beautiful. I think, my opinion, this body style is, if it's not the most beautiful, it's close to the most beautiful thing anybody ever put out. This probably would have been the original color, maybe, I don't know.
I don't know either. Oh, I doubt it. It might have been, but
I don't know. I don't know how that works.
this car is old enough where it doesn't have a VIN stamp on it. It's down on the frame. Super cool car. We'll go around it one more time. I'll show you the trunk, but there's no rust on this car either. Look at the top of this car. Super straight car. It was in the same garage that we pulled the El Camino out of.
What our plan is to rip that old flathead V8 out of there and put this 4.3 V6 in it.
Okay, now we'll move on. The Impala Super Sport. It needs a little bit of body work. But we have the new quarter panel for it. Whoever did this did just terrible, terrible work. I mean, it was awful. But we got new quarter panel for it. And let me show you what's under the hood. Oh, see it? Nothing. The hood's not bolted down.
I can lift it up for you.
No, it's okay. It's okay, Roy.
And I'll shut it.
Is that a
Yes.
350?
400.
400. That one quarter panel was the worst one. This one, I think we're saving it. Yeah, this one we were saving.
No rust.
No rust in this car either. We gave $2,000 for this car,
Yeah, 1800.
or $1,800 for it. Factory automatic,
Factory console.
factory console, factory air conditioner.
Factory disc
So-
brakes.
It is a cool car. Looks like there was a cat or something in here.
Could have been.
I think we need to do some troubleshooting with the steering.
Yeah, it might need a little bit of work. But it's not as far work. I mean, get that motor rebuilt.
We have the door panels.
In there, make it run.
We have all the door panels and stuff like that for it. And they're in pretty good shape.
We are going to end up filling all the trim on it,
Yeah, this car's not going to have the trim on it.
except for the SS trim.
Yep, the SS will stay.
Did they see the badge here?
I'm coming right now. $427. Big block car. And I think the engine for it, it was over here somewhere.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
right here. Actually,
Here's parts of it.
here's parts of it.
Here's the heads, intake, valve covers, oil pan. Here's the rods and pistons. Oh no, that's not bolted down. Okay.
Yeah, had all the
We had the machine work done already. All the pistons are ground and
That's just some of the pieces. For the,
camshaft. We've got,
is that a one wire?
I think that, yeah, but I've already replaced it.
You did?
Yep.
Okay.
No,
it's brand new.
that's off the 4.3.
That's off the 4.3?
Mm-hmm. And is that the block for it?
Yes.
Yeah. Here's the block for it. We need to get this thing sealed up better. It's starting to rust.
This is a 454 block with a 396 crank,
Crank, yep.
making it a 427.
And I'll show you the engine for the panel wagon real quick too.
Oh, that's right. Kind of hard to tell what's under here.
This is a 383 stroker. And I don't remember where you found it, but
A town over from here. It was a divorce deal.
it was a super good deal. Hey, look, a distributor.
Crate motor.
383 crate with a
I gave $1,200 for it.
$1,200 with a Holly double pumper. Boy.
380 strikers right out of the crate.
But we'll probably take this off and put fuel injection on that
Yeah.
panel.
Hey, could we run this on the El Camino?
Yes,
Or
we
is it-
could.
Is it an electric choke?
Yes, we could.
That's a thought.
That would be way better.
I don't know what size that carburetor is.
Let's see. I bet you they'll be able to tell us.
And I'm not a big, huge fan of Holly carburetors, but
I don't see the tag on Holly. I don't on Edelbrock. Oh, right there. It says 1761 Holly. Anyways, so we got that.
Grandpa's old pickup.
This is my grandfather's pickup. This is the last new pickup he ever bought. So it's a 2007, but it still has the 5.9 Cummins in it.
The last of them.
This is the last generation of this pickup. It's been rode hard and put away wet, but we need to work on it too. If I ever can figure out how to rebuild a transmission, that's what's going to be on my list.
What'd you say, 7120?
1761.
Well, that was off.
So, anyways, we'll be right back here in a minute.